What's good, y'all? Okay, I'm not in a trade yet. I know normally I'm in a trade, but really put in a very sticky situation. So as you guys know, we normally go for a liquidity sweep, then we follow it off with a breaker structure, or a breaker structure. Then we go with continuation. So let's look at the chart what we have right now. We had this new CPI. As you guys know, CPI is very hectic, right? It causes market to move in any type of direction the way it wants to. So that happened. We have the high, we have the lows, high lows, the highs from other session, and all this fair value gap. I would want for it truly to go downwards and swing upwards, but at the end of the day, market structure on both the 1 hour, as you can see clearly, and the 4 hour clearly is on a ceiling. So if it should come up and then come down, that is more understandable. Like that's the way how the structure is. So with what happened, let's go over what happened. So what happened was we had a liquidity sweep, break a structure to the upside, as you can see. But as we swept this liquidity, we shot up to the data high, and that's a huge form of liquidity. Like that really can make your whole trade go to a flame if you don't take profit there, or if you don't break even there, if you don't you like if you're trying to lose liquidity, that's a great form of liquidity. That highs that lows got swept first though, as you can see. And then that, so it has trifecta because it also has the 1 hour. But at the end of the day, when you're taking a trade, you cannot decide what has more form of liquidity than the other. It's not really your choice. But as you can see, we swept on the top side. So right now, we truly don't know what's gonna happen because you can see it shot all the way down here. It can break structure back downwards. We can all I know is that we can't use this as continuation. If we wanted to, it's too risky. We don't have a breaker block yet because it didn't come out. We don't have an order block yet. It didn't come out. All we have to do, and it went into 1 hour as well. So we really are cooked. Like we really are cooked as far as seeing the trades this soon. We might have to wait it out a bit. We might have to see some displacement, then a reversal. I would hope. Let me see. We got a 4 hour here, right? We have another 4 hour here. So I would hope for it to come into this 4 hour. Man, I would actually really hope for it to come into this 4 hour. Yeah, then have is the displacement. Let me see face cam. Yeah, I would hope for it to actually have come into this, then have his displacement downwards. I think I'm overall more confident in that trade. Although we are starting to reach super lows where it's like, see the type of displacement we had yesterday and all these weeks, like boom, when it has this type of displacement, it normally is like, okay, let's go back up regardless of the structure. So right now we're trying to see what we're gonna have. So okay, we're gonna have a continuation structure right here. I don't know if I want to. I could use this inverse truly, and then I might first TP here, first TP. It all depends on how we have a confirmation. If it comes in and comes out, I might do it. I might do something like, let's see, like right now I can't use this. I can't use this, but I might do. It might end up being something like this. Hold up, I'm not too crazy. I'm not mad at that. Although that's very tiny, I'm not mad at that at all. I'll do TP1 here, TP2. But this is a large pool of liquidity right here. Pool 4 hour, 1 hour, a mitigated lows. Like these are lows that have not been reached for like the whole week since the 6th. It's 13th. Hasn't been reached in a long time. So it's really like order fill central. This is a bunch of people who are doing investments and they're like, shoot, I didn't get the discounted price. Let me get a discounted price. Boom, put all their discounted prices there. So I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of orders got filled and we might go up. I think it'll be a lot smarter to go up, but all I know is that if I get a breaker structure downwards and then I get a continuation, boy, I'm downpiping that stuff. Like TP1 right here, TP2 right here, TP3. That's what I'm talking about. I might actually do TP2 here, then TP3 here. Let me see if we sell. Let me put a 1 hour lick right there. This is a 1 hour lick. This is a 1 hour lick. So I don't have to use the fair value gap. 1 hour lick. There we go. Let's see. Ooh, not 15, 5 minutes. For us to have a breaker structure, it would need to happen about right here. So let's make this green so we can just see it go over it. The red, we need a red to go over this right here. Then we know. Then we'll need some form of continuation. Ah, this order block is so big. This breaker block is so big. I don't even know. We can't use any of those. Genuinely. We'll need to look for fair value gap. That's our only bet. I can't use these as... I can't use this inverse. This is ugly. I can't use it. I don't want to use it. I don't like using it like that. But I might not mind. I might do it, but be a lot... Very, very conservative. Okay. Meantime, we have like 10 minutes before we can even get a form of continuation. Like, I think we're gonna go down. I ain't gonna lie. I think we're gonna go down. As of right now, I think I'm looking for cells. Matches the order flow and everything. Where's my iPad? I lose my iPad every morning. Why do I lose my iPad every morning? Like, it's the same thing. It's like a morning routine now. It's a morning routine of me losing my... Oh, it's right here. It's always right here. Truly, if we could get a close underneath this, then it comes back into this and then closes out, I'll take it. I will take it. I think we're gonna go down because of that data low. That data high is something serious, especially because it was a upwards moving trade. The data low already got hit and it was around a bunch of liquidity, but that data high was something serious. That means that people, when a lot of times when news goes up super quick, they expect the price to go down. So what they'll do is they'll put a sell here, knowing that this is a high that got reached. Meaning that when it gets here, boom, it'll just zoom. And that's exactly what happened. It got here, boom, got disrespected. It got respected. I said disrespect, got respected. You know what I'm saying? Don't consolidate the whole day. Like, that would be disgusting. I still got morning crust. I ain't gonna lie, as of lately, I've been waking 9:30 in the dot. I mean, it's been working for me, but goodness gracious, I think I come here with less energy and I'm less inclined to do things I don't like. I've been sleeping late, sleeping like 2 a.m.s. Been working till 11:30. So just on my shit overall. Truly. Oh my gosh, I had to send this woman a new learning plan. We never broke structure to the downside. I don't know what the plan is. I truly don't know what the plan is. We are still back into this 4-hour liquidity pool. We've already broken structure to the upside, but as far as continuation wise, we are far from continuation. We need to disrespect this, and we need to, like, the same thing we're doing here, we need to do the same thing there. But if I took this trade, I might lie, I might do something very conservative. I think 20 would be a lot more sensible. Although I can make a lot more, I think. Should I? I maybe should. I don't like this. All I can say, what I'm seeing right now, I don't like. I ain't gonna lie. Let me change the playlist. Okay. I thought we were gonna sell, but hey, if we keep on showing that bullish price action. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'll close all windows. Start from scratch again. Get this on my playlist. Non-mood. Non-mood. I'm in the mood. Trust me, if it does exactly what I think it's gonna do, like right here, close above this, come back in this, come out, I'm taking that shit. I'm tired. Can you guys tell? Real ties. Or does it want a shorter way for Rick structure? That's what it's looking like. I'm gonna have to wash my face again. I need a bonnet. I feel like my hair is starting to bother me. Like, real ties, meal times. Bro, I don't know what price action wants to do, bro. Please don't consolidate my mind. Bro, this thing's trying to consolidate my mind, bro. Real ties. Hold on. Let's put a hat on this. 13-minute no trade. Should I hop on Marvel Rivals, y'all, till we get like a decision of what I'm really thinking about it. I don't know. I can't tell if it wants to go up or down. I think the news really effed it up. The news effed up the market. Is this the Nike one? Let's go a different brand. Let's go a different brand. What brand are we going today? Sure. Senna. Now I feel fresher. Are we gonna do the first trade I thought we were going to do today? Just been playing around. I can't lie. It's because it hit this 1 hour liquidity. That's why I thought it was gonna. Maybe it's just doing a little bit of extra shit. But like for us to even get a breaker block, it has to come out way out, then come here. So first trade on this thing. Hold on. Is watching dub anime crazy? Let's check back in 8 minutes. 4 minutes. May have been confirmed. Like 13. Like 14. Come on, relax, relax, relax. Oh my gosh, bro, relax. Relax, 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 relax. Genuinely. Relax, relax, relax. Bro, relax, bro. Relax. We're going too quick. Relax, relax, relax. Okay, because we need to get here. I could break even here calm. That might have. I'm not taking no thing here. Relax. Where are you going? Bro, just running. First TP, second TP, third TP. Oh my gosh, bro. You need to chill out, man. You too eager. I swear, don't piss me off, bro. I'm looking for like. No, I can't go 14. I'm looking for like at least 12 in this B. Ah, there we go. There we go. Slow down, slow down. 2 minutes. Okay. Hold on, where are you? Oh shoot! Let me pause my videos before I mess up this trade. Hold on. Execution's time is like right here, 13, 14 basically, 15. Okay, this is the moment that, you know what I'm saying, that we get made. Whoa, hello. I would love for it to go that far. 13 type of trade. 14 type of trade. Okay, 13 from here. Let's post everything we need to post. So we have 1 minute. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking like we are gonna have a good type. Okay. Let's go at 11 and then we'll add one contract based off of everything. Okay. I guess not. 15. I didn't copy and paste my flipping. Ugh. $23. Oh my gosh, it's way more than I thought. Made more lots. Don't close within. You don't make this up. Well, another 5 minutes. If it closes out on the other side, I'm not using this no more. God damn. This is very difficult price action. It's a fish close out of here. So if it comes down here, bet.
I can't help you find.
Is that what we're gonna do? I didn't think that was gonna be possible. I can't lie, I don't like this. Oops. I don't like this price action already. So if we get it somewhere here and then it comes out of here, kinda, I'm already not a fan. Son. I was gonna hit this girl up. She has a son. Give me the other son.
I got women in my DMs want me to come out, fly out to them
In LA?
no, it's Canada.
They want you to bring the wig?
Yeah, how you know?
Yeah,
It's you fuck. Hey, this motherfucker catfishing me. Motherfucker, man, I
never spend quality time with me.
I'm going to the store with my homie.
Why does he always have to be here?
Ready to call?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What music are you playing, fam? Billie Irish? What's this shanty's name? Billie Irish? What's all this tissue paper, fam? What's all this PDP? You're drinking my PDP? One more time. One more time. Yeah.
No, disrespect this. I don't want to use it no more.
Yeah, you know that bitch is here. Pull up with my bro. Y'all were splashers. Y'all were double teaming.
Guys, I think we're going to consolidate a lot today. Did I post all the videos I was supposed to post?
Oh, kill some guy.
Yeah.
Like say if you had COVID,
Yeah.
if you have COVID, and
No.
just think of one will have 100%.
Yeah. It does worry me a lot though whenever I feel it, just because it's on the left hand side. But
That's your problem.
is there a time where I should be alarmed? Like if I feel
No.
tightness or pain, like
In
When-
fact, chest pain, nobody will give in your any value to it. That's
Oh, guys, if you ever have chest pain in the hospital, tell them, give you an ECG immediately. I'm not even playing with my health. Get me an ECG immediately. Go straight to the charge nurse. Say, where's the charge nurse? I have chest pain. Please, can you? My mom has chest pain. My brother has chest pain. Can we get our ECG immediately? Okay, like, what are you guys doing? Yeah, at least get to ECG. Who knows? This might be a trade at 1 o'clock. I won't lie, I'll record today. I have things I gotta do today. Like, today's my mom's birthday, bro. I can't lie, with the way how price is looking right now, I'm gonna hop on my reverse. This is just nasty. This is generally just nasty. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording. The moment we get another price action, like we're about to confirm, I'm gonna record because I think I'm gonna just waste a lot of people's time right now. Okay, so now we have hit a whole nother set of liquidity that we were actually aiming for the upside. So truly, like I said, if we can go up here and then have the reversal downwards, we'll take a right here, maybe here. Let's see the 1 hour, because it's 10 been closed, so probably like around here for sure. 4 hour as well also has been respecting that, but that's our best bet. I truly think either reverse off here or off here, but it's gonna take some time truly before that ever happens. But as you can see, like right now we're finally going up. I didn't have any confirmation, truly. Let me see this. I can't use this. Nah, that doesn't make any sense. It's supposed to be like this, yeah. And it just closed above it. So I truly would have not had no trade. So yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Hopefully we can get the reverse off of there. If we get some form of reversal, I'll play the video. I'll continue recording. I also forgot to exclude one thing. There's one thing that's actually very possible of happening. We can still get a continuation going up. If we get a continuation like this 5-minute fair value gap that's being formed, if it respects and goes up, I'm gonna have to take it. Like, that's the truth. That's how I genuinely feel. Then we'll aim for here, here, lastly, there. We'll see. Let's see if that'll happen. Cause I can't ignore that. Cause that's something I would have done if I was backtesting. And that 100% would have worked for me. There's a new season of Marvel Rivals. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me be prepared. How many lots would that be? About 18-ish type of lots. Is that Gambit? What is this?
What's the?
No, it's the game I play. I can't lie. I've seen a bunch of things I've never seen before. What is going on? Ooh, she's actually strong. Hold on. Yeah.
Guy.
What?
In the you know how I told you about that JJK sequel they made with their
Yeah.
kids, bro. In the sequel, bro, Guy Itadori is so strong. Like, it's actually stupid how strong
Oh,
he
he's
is.
grown?
Yeah, bro, he's so strong. What's it called? This guy came back to life in the sequel.
Who told me that guy? That villain.
Mahito, remember Mahito?
Mahito.
The guy that when he touches you, you turn into a
Fuck.
curse.
I'd say I genuinely hate that guy. He reminds me of that villain in flipping, what's it called? In what's that show called? My Hero. That guy hated him. Oh, that villain in My Hero, I hated that guy.
You hated Shigaraki?
Guy hated him. Guy was just gonna touch everybody, like it's COVID. It was just touching. I'm like, guy, keep your hands to yourself.
Whole time he's a villain, or it's just egg. It's fucking ruined. What's it called? Well, guy in the sequel, bro, Itadori finished the guy in like 1 second. Then Itadori,
I mean, he did tell him that in every lifetime that he would kill him again.
he did say that. He did say that.
He said he'll make it. He'll
And
make it that
when
that's.
he walked up to him, the guy walked up to him and said, "Were you always this weak?" Oh,
Damn, that was disrespectful. I don't understand this girl's powers fully yet.
sectional break. If it breaks, breaks,
So what should I break?
This egg got boiled. I even thought I boiled it long enough, but I clearly didn't. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Fuck this shit. It's like,
Or should I hate this?
yeah. Comfortopia would have bind.
Color, what is price action trying to do? You have to have some form of price action. You can't be doing this rubbish. I don't give a damn about no CPI.
looking like a long one.
It's looking like a long day. Very soon, I'm gonna only look for
I wanted
shorts.
to watch that Lanto trades his last video, but I thought he would have won yesterday. He didn't win.
I didn't know.
I mean, was it?
He
I
missed.
saw him one day.
He missed the morning. He said he was busy during the morning. If he didn't miss that morning, he would have got that trade. Cause he doesn't do. He takes pre-market sweeps and everything. He would have definitely won that trade, but he was busy. We'll see what he did today. There's no way he caught a trade right now. There's another guy who trades, but he does not trade out us at all. But I saw he was like live streaming. The guy already got like 1,005 in profit. 1,004 in profit. It's actually still alive.
Let's see what we have. What do we have?
Gosh, bro. Imagine she breaks structure. I'll be so pissed. So pissed. Like, why are you being so stubborn?
I mean, technically,
I'm not opposed to the sell shot. The displacement is further.
I'm opposed though.
And it matches order flow.
We not break a structure.
Huh?
But what about break a structure?
Oh no, we'll need it. We'll need it.
Well, by the time it breaks structure and continues, it will already be at that fair value gap below.
Truly,
I think it's
truly.
going up.
If it
I think it's
like for me personally, if it breaks structure and continues downward, I'll just ignore those and go for other lows.
just the way the 4 hour is looking, the price action on the 4 hour is looking, I think it's gonna go up. The way it swept the 4 hour fair value gap and the 1 hour fair value gap.
But it's like the
And-
4 hour, 1 hour is from time ago. Although, yeah, I do agree because it sold a lot. Like a lot of times when it sells this much, because it's a market that likes to buy rather than sell. On a regular day, it likes to go up rather than go down. But the way it went down yesterday, and we haven't had no form of correction. Like, I mean, eventually it's gonna go up. But all we did was continue to go down and down. These two markets, if it manipulates and shoots further down, I mean, I'm not surprised.
I mean, if it goes up from here, right? Technically, wouldn't this be like just a second respectance of the inverse fair value gap there? Just that this one is after the break of structure.
Which one?
There's a 5-minute fair value gap that it inverts at 10:05, and then it went back inside, then came out. But obviously, structure hadn't broken by then. That's why that trade couldn't be.
I can't use it. I generally can't use it because it closed. It inversed both ways.
Barely.
Still.
And I don't think that thing works. I don't think that thing works the same way with inverse fair value gaps.
Cadillac, bro, it did both ways, bro. I just can't.
Sometimes I let it even go through, but if it comes back out, as long as it doesn't break structure.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I can't use it. Cause why didn't you not take the long then? The moment it came out, you could have longed it from there.
Because it hadn't broken structure.
No, I'm talking about the long. You could have longed it all the way to that first session high. Well, it basically touched it at the same time.
But it didn't break structure, that's why.
I said long.
Yeah.
We have broken structure long wise. Like we're on the upside. We've been on the upside for a time now.
Oh, you mean like right now?
No.
Oh.
I'm talking
I
about
didn't
before.
take it because of the 1 hour fair value gap, the slim one.
That one been filled already.
I didn't take it because of that.
Well, it's top 5. A character I have no idea how to use.
Let me see.
Pre-break of structure. If it breaks structure here, my first TP is this swing low. I'm not using that 1 hour, 4 hour, respectfully. Or maybe the end of, nah, I'm not using that.
Your first TP is the swing low?
Yeah. Like 2-4, 7-9, or 7-8.
It's a bit risky.
I think that's what I'm gonna do.
We won't take anything at the fair value gap.
Nah, because majority of our price action has been at that fair value gap, like. And that fair value gap is supposed to send it up, and clearly it's not strong enough.
I mean, it's a 4-hour fair value gap, so it doesn't play out in the same time frame as like.
Yeah, my only thing is that if we were able to, I feel like if we literally like an hour ago, we were able to swing that low and get there, I don't think there will be a bunch of orders that will cause it to not be able to go that low again. At least within the 4 hours. Maybe it might end up respecting it, but I feel like before it respects it, would have hit that low again. Hey, imagine I should break structure. Is this what the trade is going to be? I didn't get it. I ain't against it. Hold on. Cause I'm not against it at all. We have that there. We have this.
I mean, given that it goes back and resets that fair value gap, right?
Yeah, if we use the fair value gap as the continuation. We have fair value gap, we have inverse, one of the two, pixie or poison. Six seconds. Okay. No breakage of the structures yet. Well, let me take out this 5 minute for value gap from all that time. That's been more than disrespected. It's been tarnished.
What?
That for value gap from 905 has been tarnished. They've done anything to it.
Yeah, I erased it. They gangbanged it.
They gangbanged that shit. I only like purity. You know, pure Geralts.
I'm tired.
This is absolutely perfect.
I was tired of stuff that day.
Hey. Hey, you know me. You can break structure and continue at the same time. No, you can't do that yet. I just realized you can't do that yet. Whoa. Hold up, I may have just whoa.
You think?
Let me see again.
You trust them more than me? No, I don't trust them, Ronnie. It's like, that's crazy. How am I supposed to take care of it? What if you need a child? Take care of it. What if there's nothing you can do? And what if it's already happened? Or a disaster and then cleaning it up? Still fixing it. What do we have that you would leave? Some people. Guys.
With you. Oof.
This is my new favorite character. Hold up, let's see. What's the equilibrium of this breaker block? Hello. Wait.
I'll take an equilibrium short.
I meant breaker block. It's not a short. It's a long. If it closes out, I've been tempted. Let me see how it looks. Let's see about here.
To be fair, it didn't break structure.
It didn't
back
break
to the
structure
downside.
or nothing.
Meaning that if it inverses this and then retests it and close above that 1 hour fair value gap, that would be gas. That would be close. I would take that.
Hold up. You're right. I might not even need to use that. I might just have to use the inverse. Okay, I was about to say, don't think I'm about to heal.
Let's just see. Oh, if it closes above that 1 hour fair value gap, it would be so gas.
I prefer to get an inverse. Canalize. Gosh, what type of system is this? I don't know what the hell's going on. Shit. Bro, what? Just sniped me. Oh no, he got me. Oh my gosh, bro. Who are these healers? Wow. I actually got manhandled. The fact that
What'd you say?
the fact that I'm not even sure if I want to buy or sell, I don't even know.
You can't sell. Hasn't broken structure to the downside.
Like overall, I have no clue. Not a single form of continuation. Like, this is absolutely absurd. Like, god damn. Okay, we are currently about to inverse our first fair value gap. We just need a confirmation off the inverse. And then we have this. As far as this, take this away. This is just all in the way. But this, for sure. Well, 1 hour has some breaking structure to the upside. 4 hour, I have 3 hours left.
Just let you know I will not.
Logs got bought.
Huh?
No, I was just looking at someone who's live streaming. He bought. Come tap this 5 minute again, and I'll long it from there. I have to. I have 5 minutes. It's ready to do whatever it wants to do. And that'll be a second one that it would inverse. But I need confirmation. No, don't ban Moon Knight. Oh, keep banning my players, bruh.
Doesn't look like this thing is gonna retest. What's a shame.
What truly is today, bro? Wait. What about that?
Maybe.
What about that breaker block I said?
To be fair, there's actually 2 inverse fair value gaps here. Well, if it closes there, then there's a second one here. Let me just remove this 1 hour fair value gap, I beg.
Kind of, I really can use when it closes outside of this breaker block. I can really do that. I might do that.
What breaker block?
The whole move up. It went in, dug out. I actually really.
There's a 4 hour fair value gap right above the swing high.
Yeah, so I'll take my first TP at the swing high.
Breaker block trade, huh?
5 contracts.
The thing with the stop loss would be so wide.
Shit. At least like if we're losing, we'd have known. But like that's the closest liquidity.
And then the
like,
first TP is right there.
Come on, no, I'll probably take it. I'll lie.
So sure. Okay, if I put the end of the.
I'll do the swing down that just happened for my TP. So I'll risk like 5 contracts.
For me, no, it's not far up to 5, though. That's for sure. I don't know
Now
how
it's
you're
looking
doing
like
5.
4.
Is that how much money is that?
1,005.
Where'd you put your stop loss?
This thing, the swing low we just had. Whoa, these guys went that far? I can't let you
So
stop
how is
playing.
that? So how is that 5 contracts?
Nigga, how much are you risking? Check your
1,005.
nigga, check your risk tool.
Unless I'm tripping, is my wrist tool still?
I think your wrist tool is still the other way.
I'm on a different computer right now. That's why
Oh, it changes.
I'm on my desktop.
I'm thinking,
I was like, what the fuck is this nigga on?
all I know is that before I even reach there,
Five
I would have known to close.
contracts.
First
Okay, I
TP
see
is
it
very
now.
tiny, but
Ah, gosh, this is such a risky.
the final TP is far. That's the only thing. The final TP is far. We'll hope for it to get that far.
They just hit the. Well, I'm still setting break even that first TP shot.
Sure, yeah,
Last
yeah.
round.
And,
Last
that's what
round.
I'm gonna do.
Or even the swing high, really and truly, could also.
The only
be-
thing that will cause me, I won't do this way. The only thing that will only cause me to add more contracts is if it goes back and respects one of those inverse or value gaps, then I can like actually like add more. Like give me this one that we're close to. If it chooses that one, I don't
Yeah, I
mind.
can add more and put it up further. That's a potential. I don't really like breaker block trades, though, I'll be real. It's not my favorite thing in the world at all. But I feel like the first TV is so close that, you know,
Kind of like I might end up adding more contracts after this, because we'll respect this. Be on my side, huh?
so let the 5 minutes pass first.
Then like put the guns down. At the end of the day, the draws on liquidity are upwards. Like there's no reason for it to come down. We're upwards structure.
They are. And I feel that at least the way the 4 hour is building out, it's building out for a buy. So like, it should at least hit that 4 hour fair value gap before it decides if it wants to go down.
Yeah.
In terms of 4 hour price action.
Effing in it full of Meg. Young man, I never know like I told ya. But off your shoulders. Big. Stretch him. Especially if it closes underneath where I took my trade, that'll be way better. Come on, why would you just stop like that? Okay, it's in there. Hey.
Jeez.
Because if I'm able to add more contracts, then the swing high will actually be my first TP. Just to be more, or break even there. I don't know.
is true.
Interesting. Don't be inside when a car crash.
I'm sure this wouldn't have happened if we just closed over that 1 hour fair value gap at 11.
Oh, it's a very messy day. So many things all around.
Still think we'll push through, but it would have been smoother if we closed at 11, just a bit higher.
I added more contracts because we respected that inverse. So now let's see. Yeah, I added more contracts, by the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna add more.
Because it respected the lower for value gap, inverse for value gap. So it was like, at that point, that would be like the cheapest prices I can get. Now I'm at 12.
I got 500. I just want to see a bit more pressure.
4, 6, okay. Limit 5. Is it limit still 4? Limit still 4.
I need to clean out the top of my car. You touch.
let's go up, man.
Close this white candle so I can add contracts if need be. But this thing doesn't want to close as a white candle. I need to close it as a white candle.
Hello.
Because if it closes as a white candle, then at least in addition to the inverse, that's also a breaker structure that it would have to commit going down there.
White candle.
White for me is green.
Oh. Anyway. He's approaching my stop loss. Damn, I think it's about to take me out. Ah. What the hell? Yeah. It took me out. Let's go. I'm gonna call it.
Damn. If it breaks structure, I'm gonna close. The truth is that it's not 100%. Discord. They don't have. I think they have one.
Babe, this trade deal was somehow anyways. Too many liquidity has been swept on both sides for it to actually have its own price action. Why is it dumping?
No clue. Well, like I said, there was a 1 hour for value gap
What's with
there
that
that
shit,
we
bro?
tried to ignore, but it was
It's me with that shit,
That
bro.
was the reason I didn't take the first buy. Like, if it closed above that 1 hour fair value gap, during at 11, we would not have had this issue at all. But because it didn't, it's just a form of resistance.
So let me see on this thing. Why does it keep logging me out of my trade locker?
There may be another device that's.
But trade locker never did that.
Oh, you said trade locker.
Like, it's actually pissing me off. Every time I just press it, it's just logged out. For what?
Break structure? I think it did.
Yeah, broke structure.
I should close this.
Gotta close it. Close that bitch.
Order filled.
At least we mitigated.
I mean, at least I didn't lose 1,005. I mean, I lost 1,004.
Lost
Pick your own
900.
poison.
Lost 900. It goes back up, Bobby.
Look, I'm still sticking true to my strategy with the way I did, though. I think if I was back testing, I would have probably, even if I didn't take the breaker block, I would have taken this right here, and I would have lost regardless.
Not gonna lie. If I was back testing,
I would have ended up in a no,
I
for
would
sure.
not have taken that trade if I was back testing.
Even when they respected the inverse,
No, because of the 1 hour fair value gap, I wouldn't have taken that if I was thing.
nah, I would have ignored that. Truly, because out of all the like levels of resistance, the one that was like the biggest one was the data low and the Asia high, and those both got taken out. So
It's enough resistance to move it back to a stop loss that's not that far away.
fair.
Anyways, lockouts.
You might just start going. You see this? What this thing is. I'm too ungrateful for this.
Honestly, if it goes back all the way up, that would be tough because
Let me see.
I literally took myself out.
Let me see. Because this is why I took the trade initially. 5. I actually did about 6. So it's been about here. 6. I mean, still would have been a drawdown. I'll see if it would have hit any of these TPs. Obviously, this is the highest TP being. And then we'll learn, should we ever add more size to our contract, or should we ever just let it be?
Chai!
The hell was that?
I should have trusted my breaker block stop loss. What a shame. What a fucking shame. What? Yeah, man.
I mean, we're still, like, right now I'm looking at the trade. I'm still in drawdown if I was in that trade.
Yeah, barely.
Yeah, barely. But we don't know. It might end up still going back down.
True. True.
Because it has
But I
not,
should've-
it really has not done anything.
Honestly, I shouldn't have taken it out. Why? Because the only exit that I told myself I would have apart from it just hitting my stop loss
It's
was
confirmation.
yes,
Fair,
breaker
fair,
structure
fair.
with continuation, which I just did on the break. I didn't do it on any continuation, so I low-key should have trusted more. And if I really wanted to exit, I should have let it really fully play out the exit criteria.
Yeah, I'll look back and see how this trade runs through. But as far as today, we're calling it till next week.
I've already locked myself out. I can't even do anything if I wanted to.
All right.